Hey guys, today I'll be making an omelette for breakfast, so let's do this. So start by shredding a handful of spinach. Make sure that your spinach is clean as well. Cut a red bell pepper as demonstrated in the video. Make a hole in the middle. So this is my butter cheese and I'm going to cut it into thin strips. So I will set these ingredients aside together with my salami, and I start chopping my coriander and a small sized onion. Pour in your chopped coriander and chopped onion in a bowl. Break in 2 eggs but reserve 1 egg yolk for later. Season with salt, pepper and garlic powder. Mix that well and we get ready to fry. Butter in a hot pan, pour in your egg mixture and arrange your vegetables and salami as demonstrated in the visuals. Have fun! So egg mixture first, then we put our red bell pepper slice, and then we arrange our salami, our shredded spinach, the egg yolk, and then the cheese later. Don't forget to share, comment and like this video. Till next time, stay safe.